Hello students, in this video we'll do the program that is to print the square of first and natural numbers. But if a square encountered which is divisible by 2, 3 and 4, then we'll have to skip it then and there. So as per the question, first we have to see the first number square is 1, the second number square is 2, the third number square, okay, the second number square is 4. Now we have to skip it. Why? It is divisible by 2. Next, 3 square is 9. Again we have to skip it because it is divisible by 3. Next square is 16. 4 square is 16. This will also be skipped. Next square of 5 happens to be 25. Now this will be printed because 25 is neither divisible by 2, 3 or 4. Then we further go, so 25 will be printed, and yes, 1 will also be printed because 1 is also not divisible by 2, 3 or 4. So we come to the next digit, that is 6. Square of 6 is 36. It will also be skipped because it is divisible both by 2, 3 and 4 also. Then again we come to 7 digit. So the square of 7 is 49. Now this will be printed because it is neither divisible by 2, 3 or 4. And then we come to 8. The square of 8 is 64. 64 will be skipped. Now the next digit 9. Square of 9 is 81. It will also be skipped because it is divisible by 3. And we come to our last digit, that is 10. Square of 10, or the number 10, is 100. It is also to be skipped because it's divisible by 2 and 4. So the values that will be printed is 1, 25 and 49. But for this what we need? First we need all the natural numbers, that is from 1 to 10. So for this we need a for loop. Then we have to find a square and then check whether it's divisible by 2, 3 and 4. If it's not divisible, then only they can be printed. Let's go to our Java programming section. I've already done the program in my 2J editor window. Now this line, now as you know, the first line is for class declaration, the second line is for method declaration. Now we come to our loop, for loop. We have taken the for loop to generate the natural numbers from 1 to 10. Initial value of I is 1. It goes on till 10, stepping by 1 value. Over here we are storing the square of the digits. So after storing the square of digit in x, I am checking if x is divisible by 2. Divisibility checking can be done with the help of modulus. If the remainder is 0, then it's completely divisible. So whether x is divisible by 2, 3 and 4. If it is divisible, then continue. What is the work of continue? It will omit this line. That is, it will not print the value, the square root value, the square value, and it will directly go for the next loop. Like in case of 1, 1 is neither divisible by 2, 3 and 4, so it will be printed. But when for 2, the square is 4, it is divisible by 2, so continue will take to the third loop, that is for the digit 3, and it will not print x. So in this way it will go on every time divisibility is found. Continue will take for the next loop and it will omit the printing line. Otherwise the printing line will be printed. Like for the case of 125 and 49. Let's check our program. I have already compiled it. It shows no error. So now when I'll be running the program, you can see in the output, it will give me 125 and 49. So in the output, you can see I have got 125 and 49 as they are not divisible by 2, 3 or 4. Again, we'll see the program. You can see the for loop I'm using to generate digits from 1 to 10. After that, in x variable, I'm storing the square of each digit. Then I'm checking I'm using conditional operator over here. Divisibility checking is being done for 2, 3 and 4. If it is divisible, then continue will omit the printing portion and it will go for the next iteration. If the condition is not true, then it will be printed. Hope you have understood the program. Thank you and all the best to all of you.